really enjoyed this flight. It went really well and I like the GoPro footage, so I've decided to put it up as a cinematic video. But what I did realise, I need to spend more money on VTX gear, so that's what I'll be getting into with subsequent videos. One thing I did do with the GoPro footage, when I was flying to the sun, I noticed that it was a bit dark at times, so I played around a little bit with the colour balance. So it might be a little bit rough at spots, to see if you can spot it. But this really brought me back to the joy of flying and why I fly. So this is it for the commentary. So unless you want to come along for the ride with the video, see you next time. Bye for now.